Hey everybody, it's Kaye at the homestead, and look what I've got to show you today. Ta-da! Onions are coming up all over, different kinds of onions, so I'm pretty excited. There's nothing more exciting than watching seeds sprout. These are loofah seeds that I grew several years ago, and I'm very curious to see if they come up. I hope so, but it's already been several days. Look at the roselle. I've got 17 out of 20 that are up. Let's go outside. Yeah, you haven't been out. You big boy, you. I knew that would be the first thing you'd do. Okay, everybody. Well, I just wanted to show you what's left of the snowstorm. Still got a lot of snow in the yard. Just thought, well, I better come and actually see how icy the driveway is, because I'm not really interested in sliding off. Now, a single delivery truck has been up here since I think it was the third day of the snowstorm. So that's why you kind of see some tracks here. Oh yeah, I could have made this. You know, but from the house you can't tell. You really can't. You're looking at it at an angle and it just looks all white. But yeah, this would not be a problem for my truck. You see, people are still kind of going slowly down the road there. Let's see if we got any mail. There. It is icy, as you can imagine. And I'm choosing to walk on the snow and not those icy paths. Is that deer? I guess so. It is so nice to have less traffic on this road. I absolutely love it. Now, we could still sled over there. Look. I should go get this. I should go have them come with their sled. You know, there might be a rock or two exposed. That's the problem. I wouldn't want anybody, and of course I got a culvert here. Certainly wouldn't want anybody getting hurt. Oh, I just love this crunch. Got somebody coming this way. I got somebody coming this way. Well, I guess that makes sense, because if it was a truck, the 1-2 is the one side and this is the other side. And then they're going down on the road. Of course, there's another thing there. It's interesting. We're going to go over and look and see something that the neighbors and I find very interesting today. It's going to be up 42, and then it's going to rain tomorrow. Well, I don't know what it's getting down to tonight, but it's going to rain tomorrow, so it should be all gone by tomorrow. I wonder who drove through here. That's interesting. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be curious about, as to whether the mark will still be on the highway, on the road, sorry, when the ice is gone. That's really slick. We'll just have to look tomorrow. That is very slippery. The mark in the road where Tiger was hit, Corey said, oh, that'll be gone in a couple of days. After it rains, it'll be gone. And it was never gone. I took several pictures for weeks and it never went away. So we'll see if the ice and the snow change that. Okay, as you can see, I have quite a bit of snow still on the roof. I thought I heard something crashing this morning, and I bet it was a big piece falling off. It's where I envision my new and improved orchard. I've got 2 mature peach trees there. They have to be pruned, I think at the end of this month or February. Got to find somebody to do that who knows what they're doing. But if you just see where the snow is melted, that's where the sun hits the most, in the winter anyway. And so the orchard is in more shade. The sun is lower. So obviously it would be better to have the orchard over there. But I can't put a fence around everything, you know. And I can't move these peach trees. So I just think I'm going to expand this and move some of the ones I planted just last year. They're still small, move them over here, and then just put a fence around here. I just don't see any way around that. This is the one bed, can you tell? This is the one bed that has not been rebuilt. And it didn't get rebuilt for 2 reasons. Wow, it's even worse. And it was because it got cold. The man got a cold. It had really healthy looking broccoli in here. You can see there's something alive in there. Oh my goodness. All right, that's all I'm gonna show. It takes 2 hands, and I'm just not doing it. We will check on that tomorrow when I get back. Spot never goes far. I can count on him. They're still going down the road very slowly. I'm glad I didn't try to go today. Tomorrow it'll be raining and it'll all melt in an hour. You ready to go back in? Okay, come on. No, I'm not. Okay. He likes to have his tummy scratched. Oh yeah. Come on. This is what's been going on this week, because I haven't been out of the driveway in 10, you want to come here? Come here. 10 days. Say hi. Oh goodness, he's so big. I know. Look. Say hi. Can you see me? He goes, wait, you're right there. What's that over there? Yeah. Oh, goodness. So we're probably going to hear some crashing of ice going down the gutter. I was talking about that on the live stream. Had a nice live stream last night. Gave away some seeds. I'll do that again next Sunday. And I asked questions about my channel, my garden, my experience here, and, back in California. So one question stumped some people, but so I had to jump to another question, and they got answered, and I will be sending those. I didn't get them out today, but they'll be going out tomorrow because I have to go out. I wanted to show you my sweater. I've been trying to model my sweaters that I knitted this winter before it gets too warm. This is a double It's almost like a cloth string type thing, but it is wool. And I wanted it to be like a jacket. I took a very simple sketch into my knitting store, and she gave me the pattern to create it. It has two little pockets just for something. And you could also stick, because it stretches, because I doubled the yarn, it really stretches. And of course the way the type of yarn that it is, it's almost a woven tube, you know, so, and then you put two tubes together so it's nice and meaty, thick. And then I found these wonderful, these are vintage. Remember when we had these wooden buttons on all of our sweaters back in the day in the 70s? And I found those at my button store, and I was just waiting for something to sew those onto. So that's about sweater number 5, I think, 4 or 5. I'll pull them all out. We'll do one video, and I'll just show them all, and you'll remember. So thanks so much for watching, and let's sit down. I hope you subscribe to my channel, where in the winter we get a chance to talk about things in addition to gardening. Although the live stream last night was heavy duty gardening. We were talking about all kinds of gardening stuff. Getting ready for spring, especially beginners, what beginners need to be purchasing. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Please like the video on your way out, and look forward to more content here from the homestead in Tennessee about self-sustaining living and growing your own food, preserving it, cooking from the garden, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, and I'll see you next time. I was getting a little stir crazy. I'm gonna go just drop off some of that bread I made to my neighbors, and I'm going very slowly. I'll check in when I get back. Okay, I survived. I didn't run off the road. I didn't slide off on my tush. I